how are you doing? My name is Lena and I'm 9 years old. Last week was my birthday. This is my sister.
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm 7 years old. We will demonstrate our C programming language skills by coding a small program for teacher.
In this program, we are trying to give a solution for teachers who can enter the students' roll numbers. These entries she can find and analyze at any time by the help of search tab.
Let's begin.
Before continuing our video,
please subscribe our channel. So we will start with int. Int is the keyword, while the data type is integer. Then I'm going to declare S. S is for strength of the class. So how much students in the class that means. And then comma, because we want to separate. Then write, declare I. Then comma. Then we are going to declare Rn for my array. And I'm going to make my array size 20. But what's an array? An array is a collection of data and information accessed by a common name. Then we are going to do the other stuff later. Then semicolon and enter. Then we are going to declare printf. Printf is an output function and I'm going to use it to make messages. I'm going to open bracket and double quote. Then I'm going to make my message enter strength. Of the class. Okay. And after that, you're going to put semicolon and enter. Now, I'm going to declare scanf. Scanf is an input function. And I'm going to use it to make my space. Scanf. Now we will declare %d and outside of the double quote, comma, ampersand, S. Okay. Then semicolon. Enter. So again we are going to use printf. Then we are going to write enter roll number. Enter roll number. So this will tell the teacher what she needs to do. Then semicolon, enter. Then we're going to declare for loop. But what's for loop? For loop is a sequence of instructions repeated until a specific condition is met. Since for loop is a condition, we are not going to, make any double quotes. So now we are going to increment. First, I will start in 0. So that's why I need I assign 0. Then it will start from 0. Then I'm going to make a condition that I is going to be less than s. So that means it will end at the strength of the class. Then I'm going to put semicolon, then I post increment. Then I will increment 1, go back, start again, increment 1, go back, start again. That's how. And since this is a condition, we are going to put a curly bracket in the end. So now scanf is nested. So we'll declare scanf and do the same thing as before. Ampersand. But this time when we reach ampersand, we are going to declare rn. Then we're going to put square bracket, and then we're going to declare I this time. Then we will go out, scanf, put semicolon, and enter. Then I'm going to put curly brackets since I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to declare printf, but now we are going to search it. We're going to make the searching in all parts. So now we are going to make a message, and that's going to be search. Okay. Then close with semicolon, enter. Then again we are going to use scanf, and we're going to do %d, comma, double quotes. Then we are going to declare ampersand, but this time we are going to go to the place we started in, and after 20 we're going to put a comma, sk. Sk is for search key. Do the rest later. Then we are going back to scanf. We are in scanf, and then we are going to declare sk. Then enter. Then we are going to declare for loop again and do the same thing. Okay, after for loop, we are going to put a curly bracket, and now we are going to declare if. If is also a condition, so we are not going to use any double quotes. and going to say sk equal same as rn, then square bracket I. So if sk was same as rni, then we would get flag. So we get flag when sk and rn are the same. So we'll go back to the place we started in. Then after sk, we are going to put comma, then flag. Flag, okay. So after flag, assign 0. So when we started, we didn't get any flags and all. So in the start, after sk, we're going to add comma, flag, assign 0. Then we'll go to the place we are in. Then after if, we'll add a curly bracket in the end. And after that, we're going to enter and write flag. This time, we are going to say flag is assigned to 1. So now we got one flag. So after getting our flag, we want to stop searching because we got the roll number, right? So that's why we'll put semicolon and enter, then break. So break will make it stop, and semicolon. Then we're going to enter, then curly bracket, enter, curly bracket, and then you're going to declare if again. If, open bracket, since it's a condition, no double quotes, then we're going to write flag is equal to 1. It has 1. Then after it, we will put a semicolon and enter. But wait, if is a condition, so that's why we don't use any semicolons. Now I'm going to declare printf, where we didn't use printf. Then open, double quote. Now if we got the flag, then we will say roll number found at position. So after position, we are going to add another space, and this time we are going to declare %d, and outside of the double quote, comma, I plus 1. So since teacher doesn't know an array, what is an array, since array starts from 0, teacher will think that that is wrong. So I, the array, will add another one so that teacher can understand. Then semicolon, enter. Now we are going to put curly bracket, then we are not going to enter again. This time we are going to declare else. And we are not going to enter again, we are just going to add open curly bracket, then enter. Then we're going to declare printf again. So now I'm going to write roll number not found. Then we will close with semicolon, then enter, close with curly bracket. Now we're going to check. Now run. Now it came enter strength of the class because of printf. Now I'm going to write for roll number. Now scanf came, so I got space, and then it entered by scanf, and then we got the space to enter. The next printf, and it said enter roll number. So 89, enter. Scanf came again. 78, enter. Scanf came again. 90, scanf came again. So scanf made all the space for me to type my roll number. Now printf came again, but it gave a space of scanf before printf came. Now I want to search for 78. Then enter. Roll number found at position 2.
So that's from my side, and now my sister will do the same thing, and at the end my sister and me will explain how it works. So here's my sister. So first we'll do int. Int is a keyword. We'll declare s as a variable.
What is s?
And I for loop will need it, and rn. Okay. So now size will be 20. So S is for the strength of the class, the number of students in the class. I is for loop that I will explain later. Rn is an array. Array is a collection of data and information accessed by a common name. So Rn, I named it. Rn is the name of my array. You can name any of your variables what you want. So now we are going to do printf. Printf is an output function. It is used to send messages and more. So enter strength of class. Okay. Semicolon. Semicolon is used to close the statement. Now scanf. Don't confuse this as percentage. This is percent encoding. Now %d. So our variable is s. Now when scanf is an input function, many uses are there. Here we'll use for space. So S variable, don't forget the ampersand, and S. So here scanf is for space, then the number that teacher enters will be stored in S. Again, printf we'll use, and we'll ask enter roll number of students. So teacher will enter, and we need lots of spaces, right? So teacher can enter one roll number, then another one, right? So for this we'll use for loop. For loop is a condition statement. We are not going to use like double quotes because inside is just numbers. Integer. It's an integer database we're using. So we're going to use a sign now and 0. I rather than S. So now okay, here we'll use this enter. So what is for loop? For loop is a programming structure that repeats a sequence of instructions until a specific condition is met. So a condition is S. S is our condition here. This is where we start and this is where it repeats. So here scanf we'll use for many spaces. And now this time we'll use R1 and inside we won't use 20, we'll use I. Now because it will go around and around like how much S has, right? The condition how much S has. So that much S has will store in R1 and then R1 size will be that much itself. So we'll also add semicolon. So for loop is a condition statement. So we use curly bracket. So now we already entered and all. Teacher entered, but she confusing. Did she enter 12? Did she enter 15? Yeah, right? So for that, we will ask what she wants to search. So we'll enter search. Search, I don't know. E-A-R-C. Okay. Search. Then scanf again because she wants to enter what she is searching for, right? Like 12 or 15. So now we'll use person, then D, then outside, okay, comma, ampersand, sk. But have we declared sk as a variable? No, right? So we'll declare it up here sk, and we'll enter here sk2. Sk is for search key. Don't confuse S and sk. Okay. Now we want semicolon, enter. Now we want to search the whole array, right? So for then assign 0. Same like this, we'll add, oops, don't forget semicolon inside the follow. Okay. S is the condition again. Okay. And I plus plus. This is also. Then we'll use if. If is also a condition statement, so no need semicolon. Okay. Right now, sk I'll use, then equal. This is equal with the double. Double is equal, and once is assign. So don't get confused with math and this code. Okay, R and I, same. So when we got the flag, we got it right, and she entered 12 or 15 or any other numbers, then sk and rn will be same. So next we want flag, but flag is not a variable. Oops, made a mistake. Okay. Here we'll give a value 0 will be the value here for flag, but in here once we get it right, if we'll get flag right, and then flag will turn into 1. So we got flag. That means when we get flag, we want to stop, so we'll use break. After break, but we want to tell teacher that we found it. Yes, we got it, right? Or maybe we didn't got it. So when you get if and this and this, and then when flag, oops, sorry, this is not, when flag assign equal 1, then printf found whole number at position then, but there is something we want to do. Always starts with 0. So when the 12 is at 2 position, 0, 1. it'll tell 1 is the position where the answer is, where the whole number is at position 1. So that is the teacher will think, yeah, it is at position 1, the first. But actually it's at position 2. So we want percentage d, then we'll add I plus 1. So first, oh, forgot, comma. Else is for what if another option, print f found not whole number not found. And semicolon. So we'll test it out. Sorry. So let's say 12 is our class. Then 34, 56, 78, 65, 45, 49, 90, 23, 12, 23, 22, that we can't do now, sorry. 87, 10, oops. Now I'm going to go to 3 digits. Okay, so I might thought that it continue. But see, whole number not found. But if we won,
so you see the printf came, right?
So this time 5.
Printf
4.
Printf, right?
6, 7, 4, and 1 or 3. Then if we tell 7 that we entered, then found whole number at position 3 when it's actually for the away position 2. For the away it's position 2, but as we added I plus 1, it's position 3. So now you have understood how to enter, how to make this code. Now both of us will explain how it worked. First, printf enter strength of class by printf, and then scanf came.
Right? Then the space entered for the next message to come.
Yes, print enter whole number of students. For loop worked to repeat scanf, and R and I got the numbers. How much did we enter?
Then we closed it and started the next thing.
Then search. Here came search, right? Then we searched for 7. 7. It's searching.
Then space came. Space.
Yeah, space with scanf. 7 we entered. Then if SK and RN
were the same, then we would get flag. But since we didn't get flag before, we gone back into the top and we brought flag is assigned to 0.
So then they say whole number not found. Okay.
Then since we got flag, we stopped searching, right?
With break. Then if flag equal 1, when it came together, printf found whole number. This worked to found whole number here.
So then if it was other one, like we didn't get it, then else would come and we switched to roll number not
Then
found.
printf roll number not found. But as we found it, so this I plus 1 worked and gave position 3 instead of position 2. So we'll come back with another program soon.
Don't forget to subscribe our channels.
Bye.